Welcome to solverfy.
Well, this question asks us to draw vertical and horizontal bar graphs for the sales data of five different fast food restaurants. They are Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Subway, Burger King, and Kentucky Fried Chicken. And the sales numbers are measured in billions of dollars. So here, let's first move on to vertical bar graph. Well, in order to make the graphs look vertical like these, we need the x-axis need to be the categories of five companies, and I use abbreviation here. For example, W is for Wendy's, and K is for KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and Y is number of sales measured in billions of dollars. And there's one more thing to do. As we know, the data given are not in order, so we need to first rank them in order and then uh, draw them using bar graphs to make clearer illustration. So the lowest number of sales are Wendy's company, and the highest number of sales are KFC. And for example, Wendy's has $8.7 billion of sales, so I draw them here. And Pizza Hut has 9.3, so I draw it here, slightly higher than Wendy's. And Subway is 10, which is exactly this line here, also slightly higher than Pizza Hut. And Burger King has 12.7, which is slightly higher than 12, which is the line here approximately. And for the last one, it is KFC. It has 14.2 billion of sales. It is approximately here as shown. And we know that the range of the sales for different companies is from 8.7 to 14.2. So I use the y-axis starting from 8 here and finish at 16 here. And this gave us a good measurements for the number of sales of these different companies. So this concludes our vertical bar graph. And now let's move on to horizontal bar graph, which turns out to be quite similar. And the only thing different is that we switch x-axis and y-axis to make a kind of different illustration of the numbers given. So here, y-axis is the categories of companies. There are five companies, as we discussed, and x-axis is the number of sales measured in billions of dollars. So similarly, as we know, KFC has the largest amount of sales. It is about 14.2, and for this line here, it is 14. So 14.2, it is slightly bigger than 14. So I draw it as here. And similarly, for the smallest number of sales, which is Wendy's, it has 8.7. So I draw it here. And we draw the rest of them using the same technique as above. And that concludes our vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. Thank you.